Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool again. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 student. Dear student, our today's topic is weather and climate. This is chapter 10 in your book. Let's see today's topic properly. Our today's topic is weather and climate, and this is lecture number 9, and I will give you some SW. Your SW number will be 8 number SW. And this is your science book, and we have already discussed some part of this chapter. This is chapter 10, weather and climate, and today we will start from this page 73 number page. At first we will read some topic of this chapter, and then we will discuss some short question answers. Let's start today's class. Cloud. Sea or river water evaporates due to the heat of the sun and it becomes water vapor. When water vapor in the air is cooled, water vapor condenses on a tiny dust to form a small water droplet. These small water droplets float in the sky as a cloud. We can see many kinds of clouds. Clouds are classified by their shape and their height above ground. Fog is a kind of clouds that you can feel or touch at the ground. When fog accumulated on something like leaves or grass and from tiny water droplets, then it is called dew. Whereas haze is made from dry particles such as dust. If you can see this picture, here is some different types of clouds and their names. Here is a puffy and white clouds, and here is white and layered clouds. You can see there is a layered clouds, and this is towering and heap clouds, and this is grey and layered clouds. Now rain. Small cloud droplets aggregate into a big water drop. Big water drops cannot float in the sky and then fall on the earth as rain. Sometimes we see hail drop during rain. Hail is a type of frozen rain in the form of balls or irregular lumps of ice. Now we will read weather and climate in our life. Weather and our life. Weather affects our life in various ways. We put on warm clothes when it is cold. We go out with an umbrella in a rainy day or in a sunny day. Rainfalls provide us water resource. Plants become fresher and crops grow well with the help of rainwater. However, all types of weather not always bring good results. Flood. Here is some question. What happens when it rains heavily for a long time? Where does the water go? After heavy rainfall, water from river spills onto the land and then roads go under water. Crops go underwater. Houses may also go underwater. We call this situation flood, and we face flood in every year in our country. Now climate. Weather may change every day, but there is a usual weather pattern. We call this usual weather pattern as our climate. Climate is the average weather condition on an area for many years. The annual average temperature of Dhaka in Bangladesh is 26 degrees Celsius. In general, the climate of Bangladesh is classified as hot and humid climate. Russia is situated to the furthest north of Bangladesh. This country is extremely cold in the most of the time of the year. The annual average temperature of Moscow in Russia is 6 degrees Celsius. The climate of Russia is classified as cold climate. Here is a table. You can see this is yearly and monthly mean temperature at Dhaka and Moscow. All year, like from January to December, this is Dhaka temperature. Average temperature is 26 and Moscow temperature, average temperature is 6 degrees. Climate in particular area depends mainly on area's latitude, its altitude and distance from the sea. The latitude is the distance from the equator. If you can see this picture, the middle is equator and the latitude is the distance from this equator, this side, it's around this side. And near the equator, the sun's rays shine straight down. The sun warms the surface of the earth most strongly at or near equator. Here, if you can see this picture again, here is the sun ray falling this side straightly. So, this side is more warmer. As a result, places of near the equator become the warmest places. As the surface of the earth is curved, places further away from the equator are warmed much less strongly by the sun and so they are colder. Like this side of earth is colder than the equator. The higher and latitude, the colder the climate is. Now, dear student, we will discuss some short question and answer. Our first, we have already discussed 1 number and 2 number short question. Now today we will discuss 3 number and 4 number short question and answer. 3 number and short question is, weather is the temporal state. Write the causes of weather change. Answer is, weather is changing due to various reasons. 3 main causes of weather changes are temperature change, wind and cloud and rain. 4 number is, humidity is a component of weather. What is humidity? Answer is, humidity is a measure of how much moisture is in the air. When we feel sweating, humidity is high. When we feel dry, humidity is low. So dear student, I have completed my today's topic and now you have to do some SW. Your SW will be, this is your 8 number SW. When you will do your SW, you have to write the SW number. Your SW will be this short question and answer, 3 number and 4 number. This is your SW. See, here is a 3 number and 4 number SW. You have to do this SW. This is, I am repeat your SW, this is 8 number SW and this is short question 3 and 4. Dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy and submit your SW on every Sunday from 8 am to 4 pm. And you will get 2.5 marks for each SW. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.